Okay, we're back again. Sorry it's been a while. I'm waiting for the motor to show up for the new bike. So what we're gonna do today in the meanwhile is, I can't really see, my bike's right here. We are going to change the tires. So we're gonna swap the tires on these. This white walls are kind of worn out. We're gonna swap them to these. These a little more knobby. Probably gonna help with a little more inside grip, better fly. You can kind of tell how badly worn out these are. So yeah, we're just gonna pretty much try to pop it off. Show you guys how to do that. I just woke up, so if I sound like I'm tired, it's because I am. Okay, so I'm gonna set up this camera and then start getting it knocked off. I can just find a place to have it setting. I'm gonna use those crates over there. Okay, so let's just get to it. Okay, so first things first is I'm going to get the bike onto the crates, get it on the stand, tighten the stand down, and then begin to start taking the wheels off. I'm going to show you guys how I do that. I gotta take some stuff out of my bucket. Always makes it easier to take the battery out of the bike. The battery's 30 extra pounds on leave. So, first things first, take your battery out. Now you've reduced 30 pounds out of the bike, so now the bike is 110 pounds. I grab it by the shock. So, what I did there, make sure all the feet have their proper placement. If the weight's going to go anywhere, you need to find out which way it's going to lean. If you're having a leaning issue, make sure that I still need to center this bar that's on the actual frame of the bike. So I'm going to slide the bike back a little bit and see if I can get the weight to move a little more forward. So, you can see, let me fix this. Okay, you can see one of the foot placements here. This is really important, guys. Making sure that the rubber feet are in the right spot. Because if you're not, if one's up off the ground, then you're going to run into a lot of issues trying to keep the bike still. Normally we have stands that move up and down, so it helps reduce the weight. But once you start to take some stuff off, it's going to once you get the rear motor off, the weight's going to be dramatically reduced. The bike's pretty much going to be floating. So first things first, just start on the panels. Panel bolts, can still mine are coming out. Oh, let me get them. And if you could, first things first would be is to fucking replace these. Like, these are trash. They always fall out. Get ones that are like normal screws, because you're gonna round these out time and time again. Create a nice pile where everything will go. So I'm gonna put this down as I take these panel bolts on. Over here. Alright. Well, I was missing 2 screws, so it came out a little bit faster. Because like I said, they always back out, and then you're left with a mess. So, first things first is assessing how your internals look. Check to see if anything's cracked. This is what I call the rat's nest. But so what we're gonna do is I'm gonna gently just pull out some of this interior wiring. Also, look at the stand. Look at where the weight's going. You don't want it falling. So, I need to get to this phase block terminal here. That yellow terminal block is what's holding my rear wheel together, along with this clip right here. So it's like, just gently start to remove some wiring. You don't want to pull anything out of its place. Okay. Once this is all cleared up. Okay. So this is the clip I'm going to need to be removing for the rear motor. This clip over here should be connected to nothing. Yeah. Okay. So there's going to be 2 clips coming out of the rear motor. Both of these clips did exactly the same thing. So one of them is blocked off and one of them is not. Normally we didn't have to really mess with these. They normally came covered. So what I'm going to do is unclip this clip here. I'm going to grab this clip here, this one here that I'm holding. I'm going to unclip this clip. I'm going to undo these 2 screws, and I'm going to be very, very delicate with this yellow block. I don't know how much I can stress that. This is the most brittle, weakest block you could use, but this is the only thing they had at the time. So you're going to undo these 2 screws, undo the 3 bolts on the back, and then we're going to go from there. block, top of the block is removed. Then you have the second block. This is the second part. This is the part that I'm telling you need to be extremely delicate with. Okay, so I'm gonna undo these now.
O'Reilly. If you're ready for an oil change, trust the professional parts people at O'Reilly Auto Parts to recommend the best products for your car. Right now, get 5 quarts of Valvoline full synthetic motor oil and a Wix filter for $33.99. Plus, get a $10 gift card after mail-in rebate and double O-Rewards points. Stop by O'Reilly Auto Parts today or visit O'ReillyAuto.com. O'Reilly Auto Parts.
So, undid it, pulled out the harness. This is the harness. Just pulled it from the hole. That goes going there. Undid that. Now check down here. You see that? I don't know if you guys know. You guys can't see it. There we go. Okay. I don't know if you can see down there, but my phase block is cracking on all 3. Holy shit. So what I'm gonna do for that is put some super glue down there. That's the only thing I can think to do to protect it from fully, like, separating. Damn. This is what I was talking about. You gotta be careful with this block. This block is extremely delicate. Okay, so the phase block is starting to crack. I don't know, I'm gonna try to get you guys a good view. I don't know if you can see in there, but there's cracking. There's cracking happening down there. You see that? That's not good. You want to repair that. So I don't want to go to AutoZone. I wanted to knock this out, but I'm gonna have to go get some JB Weld plastic, something that's gonna solidify those cracks so that they don't break and the bike doesn't like arc out or fuck up. It shouldn't mess up as long as they're contained. They don't touch each other or anything, but I'm definitely gonna try to be wary about that. Just check your connections once you pop your bike open. Make sure, like, sometimes these wires will come unplugged, kind of like, I don't know if you can kind of see that. That plug is kind of coming out. It's not like this plug is used, but if you can see that, how that's coming out like that, you want to address that. Because that'll make your bike do weird shit. So yeah, just check the back of your harnesses for stuff. Move connector. Check the back of the harnesses for stuff. Alright, but I unclipped the zip ties, so now I'm going to take the rear wheel off and get the tires off so I can start changing them, and then I'll fix the phase block when I put it back together. Alright, so I'm going to put this down. 5 and a 10 mil. The rear wheel stem.
Next week.
That's fine.
All right.
Yeah, okay.
All right. Shit happens.
Yeah,
When it gets short, so.
yeah, it's all good. I'm not sure. Yeah, it's all good. Yeah.
Okay, the wheel is free now. So now I'm gonna slide the wheel out. You can see the rear wheel is out. You want to inspect this. You want to inspect your wires. Sometimes they're like this is cutting into the wire. You want to watch that. So I'm pulling back. If they're cutting, try to have a little more slack here. You see how mine's a little frayed? You want to be careful with that. Don't let that. That'll kill your motor. That's a motor killer problem right there. So if this is serrated, I know you guys can't really see it, but it's got a sharpened edge. Fuck, like a bad shot. It's got a sharpened edge to it. You don't want that. That'll cut your phase wires. So you want to watch that. You see that serrating? Watch for that. Now undo the chain. No rear wheel is free. The mic will be freestanding. Right there. Alright, I'm gonna put this down. You guys can see this, but this is like the rustiest chain on earth. It's kind of a statement. I'm gonna keep it forever. now you can see the rear motor is free. You want to check for any grinding, any bending. Definitely want to look at it, make sure everything is still okay. Just inspect heavy, make sure everything is working right. Okay, everything looks solid. No weird rubbing or grinding on the inside of the swing arm. That means everything is cool. Okay, now we're gonna work on the front tire. Or actually, I'm gonna take the rear tire off first, and then just get that knocked out. And then I can, at least, if I need to stop, I can put the bike down and put it back on its tires. So I'm gonna just do the rear tire first. Pretty much what I'm gonna do. Let's take all this. This is lube. Lube, spoons, and rim guards. If you really give a shit about your rims, like, I would use the guards. Some people don't care. I specifically am not the biggest Flaring fan. Whatever. So, just gonna lay the rail pretty much like this. So that's your wheel stand. Take all the air out, lube it up, get the guards and the spoons, and start pulling it off. That's what I'm gonna do. I'm not gonna record this because it's gonna be a bitch. I didn't know this just now, but if you have these, like, these ones with the black caps, if you take the little top part off, it's the valve core remover. So that's what I'm going to use to take out my valve stem right now. Oh, I should do the burnout on these wheels before I took them off. Damn, I didn't think of that. Break the seal. See that? The seal's broken now. Now the tire's unsealed. Pull it up also. Also, I flip it. Yeah, so I'm gonna flip it. Alright, so it's unsealed from both sides. Take a deep 10. Take a deep 10. Voila. Voila. Or it's not a 10, it's a 12.
What are you doing?
Swapping out the tires.
Oh yeah.
These tires are done. Like, you can see how
Oh yeah.
the
Oh
tread
yeah.
is just going. fucked up. I should have did a burnout on them before I took them off.
Oh.
But it's alright. So I'm just gonna get this tire off, and then we should be able to still leave by 12:30.
Okay.
Just gonna get this tire off. I'm gonna come back and do the front tire whenever, but I'm just gonna get at least one of them done.
Damn, that's already fucking fun.
Yeah, I know. That's why I'm like, fuck,
Dude, I'm not working on that fucking car.
Yep. Nope. Now I know what to do when I go out there. I'm like, alright.
What?
I know how to dress and shit.
Oh, out there, yeah.
Yeah, 'cause last time I was not good.
Lisa made some butter again.
Oh, fuck yeah.
I'm about to go give this to him. He says he got his tooth pulled yesterday.
Ooh, shit.
He's all like,
I need to get one of mine pulled.
me too.
Yeah.
I'm too scared to fucking do it though.
You're afraid of the dentist.
I'm like, fuck, bro. God damn it. He was all like, yeah, I can't smoke or drink for a week. And I was like,
Yep.
fuck.
Yep.
Really? And I'm like, damn, what am I gonna do? Like,
I mean, you can eat edibles.
ah, damn, that's gonna fuck me up every day.
I mean, you'll get used to it. Does this not work?
Good.
It worked for like 2 seconds. I was done. Alright.
Damn, you have to take all this shit off just to change the tire
Dude,
out.
that's why no one ever wants to do it. And if they do, they charge an ass load for it.
How long does it usually take?
Probably like 45 minutes.
Oh, that's not bad.
It's not bad. Like, it just takes me a second.
Is that for both or for each?
What? Oh, just for the rear. The rear is what takes the longest.
Oh yeah, because there's more shit you
There's
need
more
to take
shit I have
off.
to do. The front takes 10 minutes.
Oh wow.
Yeah.
Damn, that sucks.
Yeah. So spoons, guards. And then I should actually have this flipped over. But hopefully if the tire's worn out enough, I can just do 2. Like this.
It's just like taking off a regular ass
Oh yeah,
tire.
it totally is. It's just I'm showing these Onyx weebs how to do it. So that's too far.
Yeah.
Now that it's up, I just fucking grab it.
Yeah, and you could just
Like, pull it.
rotate it.
Some people would like pull this shit around like the machine did. You know?
Yeah, that's what
But
I.
I would like pull it up. Or I would flip it like this. Now that's like that.
Oh, and just push it down.
Push it down on it. There we go.
Yeah, you have to break the bead.
Yeah.
Or not break it, but.
Well, no, I did. It was stuck. Earlier I had to break the bead. That shit sucked.
I miss doing tires.
I mean, like, it's fun.
I like doing tires. I'd rather do tires than be an actual mechanic.
Really?
Yeah. Oh yeah. Hell yeah. I'll do tires all day. Like, I'm cool with that. I was hella fast at those too.
Really?
Yeah. I could do like a tire in like, less than 10 minutes.
Holy shit, dude.
Oh, that's the tubing that goes inside, right? For the air.
Can't wait to get the new motor.
Oh yeah.
The new motor's gonna do 100. See, like, this is a common place that the valve will rip at.
Yeah.
Show them in the camera. The valve stem core is like a common tearing spot. I've gotten a flat in the hill. That's how I got the flat in the hills.
Oh yeah.
Because that broke. That should come off. There we go. Oh, Johnny's are off. Jesus, those are so
Yeah,
worn
those are
out.
so
Oh my
bad.
god.
It's probably gonna feel so much better.
Oh, you can lean in it.
What's that? What this for? This for? Is this like not a stock tire?
It's not. But what I'm checking for is directional. Is it a directional tire? It doesn't look like it is. It doesn't say front or rear. Yeah, it's not directional.
I mean, like, but what about, like...
It would have like an arrow pointing. Do you see any arrows or anything? I don't see any arrows either. Okay. So first things you should do before you put your new tires on is check if they're directional. There's going to be a little arrow or a signal that says front. These are non-directionals, so I can put them on whichever way I feel like it. So I'm going to do that. Okay. First thing. That sucks. The spray bottle doesn't work.
I know.
But it's okay. I think I have enough lube on it. Actually, I'm gonna flip it. So I'm not crushing the wire. It's tough being a leader.
What do you mean, leader?
The gang.
Reservation dog.
So you don't edit your videos, you just put them all together and just...
I like barely edit it and just slap it together. Because it's supposed to be raw. Like, you're supposed to just see what it is, how I'm doing it, and that's it. Like, I could edit it, I could do more, but I don't have time, dude.
Now streaming exclusively FX on Hulu.
Oh, he's going like a dream. Okay.
What about the tubing? Oh, you replace the tubing every time?
Every time.
Oh, okay, I didn't know
That's
that.
all rusted, and that's a 275. This is a 3 tire. This is a 3 tubing.
Oh, Chinese brand.
Yeah. China. Then literally I just reversed what I just did. Put the tire back on, bolted up, tighten it down, put those fucking connectors back together. But I'm not because they're fucking broken. You might have got a fucking IS, dude.
I seen that. I saw it's a black
It's
one.
a black one.
How much you get it for?
$900.
From where?
His uncle.
Oh, that's cool.
So I'm like, he was like, I know you want one. I was like, I'll trade you the Onyx right now, bro.
Oh, really?
Right now. I'll trade you the Onyx right now.
You gonna do it?
He was like, oh. He was thinking about it, and I was like, how about this? I need to change the tires on the Onyx anyway. I'm gonna change them, and you can ride it for a week. I'll let you ride it for a week.
Are you guys gonna trade for a week?
Yeah.
See how that's cool.
So see if you like it. And then he was like, well, what if I want to keep it because I really like it? And I'm like, if you want to keep it, you can keep it. But I'm just gonna. I don't want to sell the Onyx to like a non-friend.
Yeah.
Like, I'd rather go to a friend for 35 than like a random for 41.
Yeah.
So I want to do that, but I'm still gonna end up selling one of these bikes and getting an IS. Like I wanted to, Jay.
You should definitely check.
I know you're seeing those auctions, dude.
I go on like every couple of days. There's a lot of GSs. There's I know, and like I think I even seen an FRS.
Oh,
it just
really?
had no tires, no wheels and tires. But
Really?
it was there. Like I guess like someone stole the wheels off of it and it got towed or something.
But it ran.
Yeah, but it runs. I'm like, bro.
Oh, the fuck?
So I'm like, there's a lot of cars, and I'm like, dude, if I had the space, I'd be buying these and fixing and flipping it.
If I had the space, I would have took that shell off of dude's hands.
Bruh.
And we would have had that RX-7 too.
Bruh.
The white one.
Some dude on Facebook Market is selling an RX-7. It's a hardtop, and I told him, I was like, would you trade for my Corolla? And I sent him all the pictures, including the tubing. He's like, oh yeah, I'd trade, dude. Like, it's a clean ass RX-7 too.
Really?
Yeah,
Where
I'll
is he?
show you.
Where's he located?
Hold on, let me show you. Clean. I'm like, fuck, dude.
It runs.
It's an 87. He's an Antioch.
Ooh.
Look.
I do it.
I'm all like, bruh.
I do it, dude.
RX-7.
I do it, dude.
And he's all like, yeah, I was messaging him this morning. He's all like, oh, are you gonna be free tomorrow? And I was all like, I'm getting my car back today. And so I told him, I was all like, I might be, can we do it like Monday? He's all like, yeah, we're gonna probably meet up somewhere and both take a look at the cars and everything. He's all like, yeah, dude.
This literally just fucking break within 2. I got like 4 squirts in it, bro. Fuck, man.
AutoZone special.
Can you hold this?
Yeah.
Just hold it out the way. I just can't.
No, it kind of sucks though, because it's like, I would have no seat time.
So what? So what? So what? So what?
I'm RX.
I was just talking to fucking Robbie and shit, and he was like, no, the RX-7 is like literally the best handling car I've ever had ever in my life.
Oh really?
Yeah, and I was like, dude, why'd you get rid of it? And he didn't respond yet. But like, I was talking to him like, yo, like, after seeing him slide it, I was like, holy shit, dude, like, see how easy this is?
I feel like there's like a running
my
joke
needle.
with leftover batteries. Like, I do
Because it's, you know,
but sometimes people
see at that point I would stick with it.
I'm starting to see like,
Oh, look, super.
it's all good.
I tried finding other shit. The only thing.
I would use the bar now.
I tried to not use the bars ever.
Oh really?
Are you snapping it back on?
Yeah.
Oh yeah, you don't want to use it for snapping it. Oh, you gotta soak that bitch. That shit has to be soaked.
The fucking sprayer stopped right here.
Here. Oh, it's because it's got to be straight. It gets foamy.
Oh.
It's got to. Oh yeah, it's got to be straight up and down. After a while, it gets foamy and then it doesn't want to spray right.
Okay.
Yeah, if it gets too shaken up and it's not just straight liquid,
It won't spray.
it'll just pull foam.
I see you with this fucking bike, bro. This is wet. I like this.
Here, if you need to use it for anything, it's a silicone tape.
Oh, fuck.
Yo, I'm fucking starving, dude.
Do you have any?
Yeah, I gotta go get bagels. We're gonna go pick up the Corolla today.
Oh!
Yeah. But then on Monday, I'm gonna go meet up with some dude from Antioch. He says he might want to trade for a RX-7.
An FC?
Yeah.
Yeah, like.
And make sure there's no electricals. I
I would
never.
literally get it diagnosed, dude.
Yeah, I know.
They're
I know.
so fucking. I've never seen an RX-7 that's just like.
Running.
Yeah, go ahead. It's fine. It's solid. Everyone is like wiring problem or fucking the motor or something. He's got long chain or the Collins on it.
I don't think it's gonna include those
Hey, what's up?
wheels because I don't have wheels that I'm gonna include in my car.
Those aren't real ones. Those are Collins.
Oh really?
Those are Collins.
Oh.
Yeah, they're
Just
aftermarket
like that.
Longchamps. They're like Roto Longchamps. They're cool though.
I'm like, dude,
They.
I want to
those look
drive
good.
it and see what it's like.
Well, your Corolla?
Yeah. I
Hell
can't
yeah.
wait.
You can get it back and then trade it right off the bat. That's fucked up. That's fucked
No,
up.
I don't know. I don't know. I don't think I could ever part
it?
with it. That thing is my baby.
Hopefully you get to keep it for a while.
Oh yeah, I plan on that.
Those are nice.
Yeah.
I like those tires.
Oh.
All right, I'm about to go get some food.
I didn't.
Alright, dude. I see you soon. Sucks, dude. Alright, well, this is done. I just gotta inflate it and then bring it back. Oh, wait, hold on. Heat left.
Hey Brandon, Brandon, Brandon. Is this yours?
Oh, yeah.
It's all good.
Yeah, so I'm just going outside. I'm working on my bike right now. I'm sorry, you didn't sleep, man. It sucks. Are you gonna drive home now? Okay, so me and Adam walked to the store. We filled up this tire with air, and then he literally just helped me. He held the frame as I just slipped the rear wheel into the swing arm. You kind of have to pull it apart a little bit sometimes. Other than that, it's in. We're gonna make sure it's centered. Come from behind, make sure the wheel is straight when we're riding it. The lines on one side of the tire don't mean anything. These tires are non-directional, so it's not gonna be that much of an issue. Now it's just the opposite. Probably gonna end up doing the front tire later. We have to go get his Corolla. All right, and then I'm gonna put the chain on, just button it up, and then call it a day.